To prepare eggplant rolls with walnuts, we will need 1 large eggplant or 2 medium, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of salt. Wash the eggplant, dry it. Cut the eggplant lengthwise into thin slices. Add salt to the resulting plates and leave for 15 minutes. Lightly squeeze the eggplants from excess moisture. I didn't wash the eggplants from salt because the filling turned out not very salty. Fry the eggplants in vegetable oil on both sides until golden brown. Transfer the finished eggplants to a plate. Cool. Prepare the ingredients for the filling. To prepare the filling for eggplant rolls with walnuts, we will need 50 grams of walnuts, 1 clove of garlic, a bunch of cilantro, 1 tablespoon of water. Peel the garlic. You can cut the clove into several parts. Put walnuts, garlic and cilantro in a blender bowl. Pour in the water, add salt and pepper. Punch everything with a blender until you get a thick paste. It can be more or less homogeneous, if desired. Put 1 tablespoon of nut filling on each plate of eggplant. Roll the eggplant into a roll. Prepare all the other rolls in the same way. Place the rolls on a platter and sprinkle with chopped nuts, garnish with cilantro sprigs and pomegranate seeds. Enjoy your meal.